Manueleaso. Today's word of the day is mako. Mako means us or we, but it's a version of us or we that excludes another person or group. For example, if this guy says, kako ile falikaalo, or let's all go to the gym, Debo says, no, I will not go. He said kako because he's including everybody, including Debo. This time he says the same thing, but he's using the exclusive form of us or we because he's excluding Debo. He says, Mako ilifalikaalo, or us three go to the gym. Now Smokey says, Leai, I will not go. So he turns to Craig and says, Mao ilifalikaalo. He doesn't say Mako because he's only talking about two people, him and Craig. Ma is the dual version of Mako. Finally, when Craig says no, Red says Oleaoalu, or I will go. So Mako is the exclusive version of we with three or more people. Ma is the exclusive version of we for two people. And of course, when it's just one person, you no longer use the word we because it's just one person. Mako.